Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. In this video, we will see our third example regarding the regular expression, in which regular expression is given and from that regular expression the question is to derive the grammar. So regular expression is letter is followed by letter or digit bracket star, means we can also write it is like this: letter and letter or digit bracket star. A single letter can be followed by any combination of letter and digits. So letter in this small a to small z, or we can say capital A to capital Z. Digits 0 to 9 digits, it may be accepted. So in the regular expression they have given starting with the constant letter. Okay, so S produces L and we are using another non-terminal, that is capital A, because every string started with a single letter. So that part is constant. Now that A means letter or digit star. Therefore, for that particularly we are writing again LA or DA. See here students how that will be exactly works. Every string will start with the letter, means S produces L A, and if that A can be replaced by LA or it can be replaced by DA, and here one more thing we can add, it can be null also. So suppose that A will be replaced by DA and lastly that A will be replaced by null. So here it is like this, means a letter can be followed by digit. Simply we can see one example here. Suppose I am writing Google 123. So what is that? One letter is there, it is followed by combination of letters and digits. So here how we are using that particular L capital A, that L will be G. After that particularly A will be replaced by again LA, then how many letters I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So LA, again L capital A, L capital A, and A will be replaced by, so that every L can be replaced by letter, that is Google. So here now what is 1, 2, 3? I want 1, 2, 3. Therefore now that A can be replaced by DA. DA. So how many digits I want? 3 digits. Again that A can be replaced by DA. So here it is DDA, and lastly here I can write A will be replaced by DA and DDD means 1, 2, 3, and that A will be replaced by null, which we have written over here. Therefore by using these production rules, S produces LA and A produces LA or DA or null, we have derived that particular string in which started with the letter and followed by any combination of letters and digits. It is very important example in which regular expression is given and from that regular expression we have derived the grammar of that language. So students, here that is the part of the context free language. In the context free language we have seen What is exactly context free language? We can derive that language from context free grammar. Different types of example we have seen. If the grammar is given, how to generate the language. If the language is given, how to generate the grammars. So in the next video we will start with the next point, that is the ambiguous grammar. Thank you students.